Hi, this is In the Wild with Chris. One of the issues with camping in tents is the condensation that forms on the inside of the tent. The condensation depends on the temperature, the humidity, what kind of ventilation you have. And it can differ from a little bit moist on the inside to downright water drops dripping on your gear. One way to handle condensation in a tent is to maintain a good ventilation, but there are some technical things you can use. One example is a candle lantern that you keep in your tent. This is a UCO Candle Lantern, which retails for about $25 or 25 euros. Inside is a wax candle that burns up to 9 hours. It is spring-loaded, so as it burns up, it pushes the candle up so the wick remains at the top for a steady flame. It is made of a lightweight aluminum body. There's a plastic bottom with a metal spring, and there's a stainless steel heat shield that gets very hot, trust me. A glass chimney with a viewing slot on the side to keep track of how much candle remains. It compacts to 5 by 11 centimeters for easy packing and extends up to 17 centimeters with a chain and hook to hang it up in the tent. With the candle in it, it weighs in about 181 grams or 6.4 ounces. It provides a little light, 20 lumens according to the specs. It isn't enough to read by for me, but it gives off a cozy light. It provides a little warmth, but not really noticeable. But what it does is minimize the condensation. I just did overnight where the temperature was between -5 and -12 centigrade. I did boil up water in the tent for my thermos and water bottles, but that left quite a lot of water drops on the ceiling. But after a while, with using this candle, it dried up, but in the morning the inner walls were still completely dry. The inside of the outer tent still had a lot of frozen condensation, but this way you and your gear inside the inner tent stay dry. I'm very satisfied with this purchase. The only drawback is that I have to remember to buy new candles online. You get a pack of 3 of them for about $5 or 5 euros. So no big cost for keeping your inner tent dry. Well, I hope you enjoy this little review of the UCO Candle Lantern. I find it very useful when I'm out camping to keep my inner tent and my gear dry. Well, if you enjoyed this, please give it a like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, this is In the Wild with Chris, and I'm out.